What's a birth worker? Hello, everyone. My name is Jacqueline Clemens, and I am a birth worker. Today, I'm going to show you a little bit about the work that I do as a birth and postpartum doula. There are so many aspects to this work and how we support our communities by helping moms and families during childbirth. So I created this video to give you an inside peek on exactly what birth workers do. In the birth world, there are several ways that you can serve and support your community. I'm going to go over just a few of the careers that birth workers actually have. On the front end, we have fertility doulas that help families who may be struggling with fertility actually become pregnant. Then we have birth support doulas who are there during prenatals. They are there during the labor and delivery of the baby with the family every step of the way. Then we have postpartum doulas. Postpartum doulas are typically in the home with the family after the baby is born. They're helping with meals, they're helping watch the baby so that the family can rest. They're making sure that the home is clean and tidy so that the parents don't have to worry about dishes and dirt piling up while they are focusing strictly on their baby. There's also childbirth educators. Childbirth educators are the ones that actually teach parents what to expect in childbirth before the baby is born. There is also placenta encapsulation specialist. Those are folks that actually encapsulate the placenta, which is taking it from an organ to an herb and encapsulating it for the family if they choose to, so that they can balance their hormones postpartum. We also have several other types of doulas that really just plug in every step of the way with families depending on their specific challenges. So birth work isn't just one thing. It's on a huge spectrum of support, from preconception, helping folks with fertility, all the way through postpartum, up to the first 5 years of life, providing support to families as they're adjusting to new life with their babies. Birth workers provide physical, emotional, and spiritual support to mothers as they are preparing for childbirth. That can look like lots of different things. Physically, we provide hands-on comfort measures that help alleviate the pain or discomfort that moms feel during labor and after childbirth. When it comes to emotional support, that's something we provide throughout the entire pregnancy, during the labor, and after birth. Lots of things come up when people are ready to give birth emotionally that can take them to a lot of places. So it's the birth worker's job to help keep them focused, positive, and ready to birth their baby. Giving birth to a baby is hard work. There's a lot of physical strain and stress that takes place in a woman's body during pregnancy. Some comfort measures include birthing balls, massage, acupressure, rebozo. We even sometimes use tennis balls to provide counter pressure during contractions. A lot of folks wonder why it's important that birth workers are present and how do they actually help families get through labor. One of the main reasons why birth workers are so important to their communities is because we provide focused, unwavering, individual care to the families that we support. Oftentimes in labor, doctors and nurses or midwives are in and out of the room attending to other people. But when you have someone that is there just for you, paying attention to you and your family's needs, it can make all the difference in the world for how you experience the birth of your child. Have you ever wondered what your personal birth story is? I encourage you all to go home and ask your parents, what was their pregnancy like? What was their birth experience like? And learn your birth story. Ask the elders in your community, the midwives, the birth workers, the nurses, some skills that you could learn to become an amazing birth worker for your community.